Current hex cost explicitly is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an essentially significant manner. Hex cost examination in a real sense is negative today. So kind of current hex cost basically is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. First help level for hex really is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner. 28 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through hex cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is transient cost expectation for hex, really is hexa for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. In any case prior to plunging truly profound into the hex specialized examination, for the most part let us in every way that really matters, discuss the truly current market conditions. Market examination, over the essentially last 24 hours. There explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in an unpretentious manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume really remains at $26,292,611,763 in an especially large manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level, after a decay of 0.58%. Or so they essentially thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the extremely local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.08 and as of now exchanging at $241.76, or so they explicitly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions fundamentally show that the market really is going in an in every practical sense, descending course for essentially transient and in every practical sense, significant way. As of now, an essentially broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly shows that first help level for hex fundamentally is at $0.030, which in a real sense is very huge. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of is very huge. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more essentially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants generally move commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of hex. Hex execution. The day-to-day diagram of hex basically shows that the hex value sort of has a really descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the hex specialized examination, sort of allowed us in a real sense to discuss the extremely current market conditions. Market examination, over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100, which truly is genuinely huge. The value worth of the hex coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of HEX. HEX execution. The everyday outline of HEX, by and large, shows that the HEX cost by and large has an exceptionally descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing and especially beyond 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the HEX specialized examination. Let us discuss the sort of current market conditions. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX value examination. HEX cost examination for 28 July 2023, insight and especially everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, in every practical sense, further appearance. How HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing how following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of HEX. HEX execution. The kind of day-to-day outline of HEX in a real sense shows that the HEX cost explicitly has a genuinely descending development, with a 1.19% decline in every practical sense, recent hours, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the HEX specialized examination. Explicitly, let us essentially discuss the by and large current market conditions. Market investigation. Over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward, moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the HEX. So following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of HEX. HEX execution. The sort of day-to-day outline of HEX truly shows that the HEX value sort of has an essentially descending development, with a 1.19% decline in truly beyond 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the HEX specialized examination. Let us, for the most part, discuss the ongoing business sector conditions. Market investigation. Over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100, which for the most part is very critical. The MACD line